On everybody. Right, listen, you're going to have to, what is it? You're going to have to put up my back catalogue for a few days because until it warms up, because I'm suffering with my back with cold, to be quite honest, and my elbows are driving me. Well, I'm just old. That's in this story. I'm getting old now, and it was really ridiculously cold yesterday to go. It too cold for me. I've come down this morning to sort cats that. Shane's going to sort them for me tomorrow over at Weybridge. So, if you just want to have a ferret through my back catalogue, have a look. Well, there's plenty of stuff to see on the channel, you know. I mean, I'm sorry I can't, but we're just getting something because I've got head back for Lotus engine, Ely, and I mean, it's all pressure tested, everything's sweet. Didn't need a skim, it was all right, level us out, and I think they've given it a bit of a decoat and a mess about with, you know. They've just given it a full check over, so we're sweet there. So I've got that to build up. You could have had video of that, but you just have to put up with me because, to be honest with you, I am suffering, and I am so this cold weather. I didn't realise how bad it affected me, but yesterday I was bad with it, and I'm not great today. So I thought I'll just come in, just let you know what's going on. So you might not have a video, you might not have videos for a few days, but cats are getting looked after, so nobody's got to jump about panicking all that, and then we'll get back to square one. I mean, give me a chance to look round where we're going to go with YouTube because we are pushing on, and I mean, I think things are coming pretty alright. I was getting grips around I wanted to do things and what I didn't want to do, and people putting suggestions in how to film if I'm building something up like this. And the guy said to me, put a pair of steps up with a camera mount on top on a phone mount. I mean, I appreciate all this, so if you just put up with, well, I mean, I don't suppose you have to have a video every day, but I like to push one out for you. I like to keep you interested, and I like to keep you on channel. So, but just put up with whatever. You know, I'll go through old stuff, plenty of old stuff, loads of driving around, there's loads of bits and pieces, loads of old different various cars, and then let's get it back on track when, it's tipping it to warm up Friday, so if it's warmed up Friday, I'll be back in. It's just like in down here at minute, it's about -2, and I'm just getting I'm too old for it now, and I can't really heat the place, right? I've got a blower heater, but they've got steel doors, I just can't get temperature up, and there's not all insulation in buildings, so take care everybody. Like I said, subscribe and that if you want to see. Well, you don't want to see me moaning like today, and but there's plenty of stuff on my back catalogue to have a look at and pass any comments and whatever else. Hopefully, I'll speak to you on Friday. I'll do something for Friday. Cheers, anyway. Thank you. Bye.